Hello and thanks for joining us on the Ghanaian Farmer YouTube channel. My name is Enyunam and standing next to me is the CEO of Bath Organics. Everything here is from waste to wealth. That is the tagline when you walk into Bath Organics. And today we are here to tell you more about how to use onion. After preparing your stew and soup, don't throw the peel away. How to recycle the onion peel as a great source of fertilizer. Thank you for joining me, Mr. Bafo.
My pleasure.
Now, onion water or onion mixed with water, what exactly is it used for when it comes to gardening or farming?
Okay, mainly plants has nutrients like nitrogen, zinc and stuff that you copper, but onion peel has almost all.
Okay.
So when you soak it in, it dissolves and it the nutrients get in the water. So instead of you adding artificial nutrients, you can get most of the plant nutrient base from the onion peel.
Okay.
Yeah.
So where do you get the onion peel from or the onion from?
You just go to the market, it's free.
Okay.
You talk to the women,
right?
Those who do batch this thing. Normally they peel, they buy them in sacks. So when they come, because of the way they package it, most of them will be spoiled. So they separate it and throw it away.
Okay.
So you go to them, you talk to them nicely. But now what I do is everyone who gives me, but like the bad onions, I make sure I buy
the good ones.
The good
as well.
ones, just as a token of just,
appreciation them.
To support their business as well. And they give me a bunch. To them, they would have paid to be thrown away.
Yes.
So you're taking it free, and also let them know that you are buying it because of that. You build a relationship.
They are excited.
And they are excited.
Okay. Yeah. So when you bring the onions, should I already have my water in the tank?
Yes.
Okay, and then you just straight pour it inside.
Yeah, then you mix it up.
Okay, so how long would the onion stay in the water before I start using it for whatever purpose?
It's an overnight thing, but because of the quantity I deal with, and the way I do it, normally you can use the peel, just the peel.
Okay.
But not when I get it, actually see, I got some of the bulk.
Yeah.
So it can stay in longer.
Okay.
Right? Okay. Because as long as, like maybe give and take, like I do normally weekly.
Weekly? Yeah. Okay. So in 1 week's time, I should be able to change.
No, the next day. You start using it the next day and you start refilling.
Okay, so after I use the water around it, I fill another water.
One, yes.
Then the next day I'll use it again. Yeah. Okay. So how long will you keep using water, filling till you want to add extra?
I mean, I do it for like 5 days, depending upon normally if I have most of the bulk, you get a lot of it out. Don't forget you're using the peel alone.
Yes.
But with the bulk, you get more concentrated.
Okay.
So you keep diluting to realize that you don't smell the
onion scent anymore. Then you move
it. Mostly like about maybe a week. Depending upon the volume.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So which plants do you use the onion water to water?
Mostly plant-based. Every plant needs the same nutrient.
Okay.
Right, and because 25% of the nutrients come from the soil.
Right.
Right. So with this, it also serves as a pest control.
Okay.
Because onions have some small smell that repels some insects.
Pest control.
Pest control.
Okay.
Because most pests are attracted by taste or smell.
Right.
And the onion smell sort of repels some of them away. Because it has a strong smell. Yeah.
All right. So I see you have a lot of green garden, beautiful garden here. So what amount or quantity of onion water can I, let's say, use to water this particular plant? Do you measure the quantity or is just fill in the tanks and then you just go?
Normally the way it is just like nutrients, natural nutrients will not really harm the plant.
Okay.
It only enriches the plant and the plant can only take as it's required.
Right.
And because we use our soil base, normally, we don't normally measure it. The onion
quantity of water.
Like a drum like this,
right.
I can have maybe a mini sack as it's filled like this.
Okay.
Normally, as it's getting old, as it's getting down, I'll start crushing the ball, the bulk one.
Okay.
Just to get more, to make it more concentrated.
Right.
Yeah. As well, the better, like is a rich nutrient. You can Google it and find out yourself. But if you, like the richer the nutrient to the soil, the better the soil will get.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So, if I am home and I
Yeah.
have this concentrated onion water
Yeah.
in my tank,
Yeah.
do I water the plant morning and evening, or just a day is okay?
With my, remember I told you I make my own soil, so
Yes,
there's a lot of porosity,
Okay.
right? Which means the medium which I use makes the thing very loose,
Okay.
make the whole soil very loose.
Right.
Because like the black soil we have has a lot of clay,
Okay.
so it makes the porosity, which is the drainage in the water, which the soil needs, right, very very hard. So it starts rotting. But with mine, it drains down faster.
Okay.
So we do it once a day.
Okay. All right. Where am I supposed to keep my tank and fill in the water and the onion? This is open and the sun is directly on it.
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Is it okay?
It doesn't become poisonous?
No. Basically, what people do, if you are doing it in small scale, you could cover it.
Okay.
Because as the sun also hits us, you lose some of the nutrients, I mean the scents and stuff. So when it's covered, it's like fermentation.
Okay.
It does faster.
Right.
Right?
Okay.
But it does, it's natural, so it's not like it's toxic or anything. Unless if the scent will disturb you, you can do it outside.
Okay.
Right? You can fool, you cover it up. And also if you don't want some of the particles, you can sieve it out. So that you get just the water.
The water.
But me, because of my soil base,
right,
I even want the particles in there so that they decay to add to the soil.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right. So, what do you have to tell farmers who are probably not taking advantage of this innovative idea?
Yeah.
And we are always looking for chemicals to control pests and all that. What do you have to say?
See, it's rather unfortunate, like I told you, the technocrat is disconnected from the regular farmer. Because even his waste, like I said, you can convert your waste to wealth. When you go to the farm places, even the onion places, they throw the waste away. Right, and you can use it and it will enrich your soil.
Okay.
But because of the dependency on chemicals, they don't even look at that direction.
Right.
And it can save you money, and I mean, you have a better food and better soil to use for your soil.
All right, so if someone wants to come by to proper understand, I mean, the practicality, from filling the tank with water to adding the onion peel and all that, is it permitted?
I'm an open place. I'm a server.
All right. How do we get in touch with you? Any number to share?
Yeah, 02. My number is +233 24 690 4201.
Okay.